Cake.
Cake. Perfect. No. Nice one.
Candle.
Do we sing first?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie Sky. Oh!
Happy
Birthday to you.
All gone.
Oh, gone. Ah, me.
Mom, can you put some ice cream in there?
Can you wait a whole second? I'm recording Liz cutting the cake. You know you're not even cutting on this side of the cake. That one's cut. Birthday cake? There you go. Go. Do you want ice cream?
No, I just want ice cream.
No, you don't want ice cream on your cake?
Ice cream?
Ice cream.
This one's mine.
How's that, Tanis? You like that ice cream?
No.
No?